is me, Jesu, and you're welcome once again to my channel. This is another episode of how to make surface pattern designs using Microsoft Paint. The first thing we're going to do is to make a canvas. This is quite different from the one we are used to. We're going to make a canvas 600 pixel horizontal and 600 pixel vertical. We go to resize, we click in on pixel, we untick maintain aspect ratio, we put in the figures that we want, and we click OK. The next thing we're going to do is to go to the view and we tick the ruler. Mine is already ticked, and return back to home. We're going to use this shape, the right triangle shape. So we go 200 horizontally and 200 vertically. Make another shape here from 400 to 600. And we flip horizontally. We make another shape from 200 to 300. And flip horizontally. We make another one from 300 to 400. And we stop here. You can see this side is not equal, so we'll go to the line 2 and we color it to white. Make a straight line, make a line, we color it to white, and we fill. So we'll go back to this shape and make a line. So it's the same thing, so go to this line to correct it. And we make another line. So we are done with this. So Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We click on transparent selection and we rotate 180 degrees. So we start filling. We choose another color in edit color. We open another page in Paint and we make it 2400 pixel horizontal. We make it 2400 pixel horizontal and 600 pixel vertical. We zoom out. We Control A, Control C, and we Control V. We keep on pressing Control V. We keep on pressing Control V. We Control A, Control C, and we increase the canvas to 1200 pixel, and we Control V. We're going to do something quite different. Drag it to this side. And we are done. We Control V and we carry it to this side. So this is how it looks like. We Control A, Control C, and we increase the canvas to 2400 pixel. It's not yet 2400. So it's now 2400 and we zoom in to 25%. And we Control V. So we are through with this design. So this is how this design looks. So we are through. We can name it whatsoever we want to name it. So thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like, share and give a thumbs up. Also kindly subscribe. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.